I'll call you back again to another video lecture on C# programming, and in this video lecture, let's go ahead and look at else if statement. Else if statement is another type of statement you use in decision making for our systems, and it helps if statement or if else statement to give to elaborate more on what you're doing. Let's say you have an integer x equal to 10 upper semicolon at end, and then you go ahead and there is user to insert something. If x is equivalent to 20, then it should go ahead and print out console.writeLine and go ahead and say this is 10 or this is 20. Go ahead and put a semicolon. Else if, go ahead and introduce if you want to give multiple options. Else if x is equal to 30, then go ahead and say console.writeLine. Then go ahead and say this is 30 plus semicolon. Then you can give so many else if statements. Let's go ahead and say else if x is equivalent to 40. Just give so many conditions. Then go ahead and say console.writeLine, and then go ahead and say this is 40, right on plus semicolon. Then you go ahead and end your else if statement with else. So if all the conditions are not met, now we go ahead and tell the user maybe anything. Go ahead and say anything you want, okay? So go ahead and say invalid number and press semicolon at the end. Let's go ahead and put a console.read key, console.read key. Now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So it's invalid number because x is equal to 10, but if change the value of x to be equal to like 40, 30, 20 or anyone, go ahead and run this code and it's going to print out this is 40. So this is 40, and just go ahead and run this code. It's 40. Go ahead and change the value of x to be equal to 80 and run this code. This is 30. Alright, so we can use else if statement to elaborate more and give so much options to your users. If you try this number, say else if try another number, try and some more. So if every number is tried and it doesn't get in the right input, go ahead and say invalid number or anything. Alright, so else if statement helps you to elaborate more on decision making statement in C# programming. And in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.